Highly motivated sellers. Experience luxury living in the Vineyards at Silver Oak, a premier maintenance-free community of 71 Mediterranean-inspired homes in the heart of Palmer Ranch. This custom-built Gibraltar home is your Tuscan retreat, blending timeless elegance with modern comfort. From the moment you arrive, the stunning curb appeal impresses with stone accents, paver driveways, and barrel tile roofs. Step inside to soaring 11 ceilings, oversized 8 sliding doors, and an open floor plan that flows seamlessly to an expansive lanai overlooking serene water views. The chef's eat-in kitchen features a gas stove and generous prep space, perfect for entertaining. The spacious master suite offers a tranquil escape with water views, a spa-like bath with soaking tub, large shower, dual vanities, private water closet, and 2 walk-in closets. Guests will love the private split guest suite, while the third bedroom/den is ideal for a home office or hobby space. Recent updates include a new air conditioner system, 2021, for year-round comfort. Outside, the community offers resort-style amenities, a pool, clubhouse gym, 24-hour guarded gate security, illuminated sidewalks, and private roads through lush preserves and sparkling lakes. Located just minutes from shopping, dining, the Legacy Bike Trail, and the #1 rated Siesta Key Beach, this home combines convenience with tranquility. A short drive to downtown Sarasota or Venice puts the best of Florida living at your fingertips. Don't wait, this property is priced to sell, and the sellers are motivated.